It's over. Zach. Give it some distance.
Where is it?
It doesn't know what to do.
Here it goes. It wants to land on let it lay in the tree.
Watch, the whole flock comes in.
Here, let it lay in the tree.
No! Oh my gosh! Somebody get a picture. Oh, no.
Oh, Lewis had it.
Oh, okay.
Bird,
Get
stop
out of here.
flying into crap. It's like, I'm
Can
just
you-
gonna
are
keep
you
going in
blind?
the tree.
Oh my gosh! This is my worst nightmare.
We're never gonna get out of here.
It's not
Oh,
a bat. It's a little blue jay.
I know, but it looks like it's gonna attack.
Tom's behind the door like.
Should I get the fly swatter?
Eric, come on! I have the door open. Over here.
This thing is literally stupid. Look, it's on the couch.
Does anybody have like a trash bag or something? It's gonna poop in here.
I know, I'll get it.
Where is it?
It's right there on the couch. Here, turn off the
Maybe
light.
if I,
turn off
like,
the light in the living room.
Swoosh it.
Maybe.
Oh!
What are you doing? This thing is retarded.
Oh,
Get out!
Here, wait, I don't want to hurt it. He's marking up the ceiling.
Oh my word. Oh, he's bleeding. Oh my word. Look at
Ew.
that. Where is he?
What do we have?